As you can see, this is a hole in my daughter's track pant, and what I am going to use on the back, it's this. It's a fusible non-woven interfacing. I have got a small piece of that. I'm going to put the piece inside. When you put that, just make sure that the rough part it's touching the fabric where you want to stick. So here it is. Now as you can see, I have white fabric inside. Now iron on top of it. And it's already stick at the back of the fabric, so as you can see, it's not stretching and moving more. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be doing patchwork on this. Now to cover the hole, if you want, you can do a hand embroidery, or if it's a boy track and you don't want to do the hand embroidery, you can use this ready felt shapes. And you can cover it with this, and you can put it on both feet so it looks similar. And you can use these. It depends on what your kids like. If it's girls track and if they like girly things, then you can use a ready page like this, or you can use something like this. Or if you don't have anything and you have small buttons, you can put a small button on top of it. And this is something I have made out of felt. I just cut the flower. You can cut different shapes like heart, circle. Now if you want to buy the black interface, you can buy that. If you don't have that, you can use a permanent marker, Sharpie, on top of the white color and color it black. And this is how I covered the white part of the interface.